Hi everyone, welcome to night 2 of March's reading month. The book that we are reading tonight is Don't Push the Button. This book is really funny. So, here we go. Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. What's the rule?
Don't press the button.
Don't press the button.
I'm gonna press ya.
Don't press it. Seriously, don't even think about it.
I'm gonna think about.
Don't think about it. Ah! It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Show them. Ah! No, we can't. We mustn't. Ah! Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push.
I pressed it.
You pressed it? Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Twice. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Sure.
Mom, I can.
Uh-oh. There's a lot of Larrys.
Mom,
Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake, shake, shake.
I can push the
Let's shake with them.
button.
Almost. A little more. Almost. Keep shaking the book. Oh, you press it. Good. Okay. There we go. It says here, scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal.
Okay.
Scratch his tummy.
I'm gonna press the button.
Hee hee. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not press the button again.
Okay.
Hey, why'd you press it again? Maybe. Well, that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple of more pushes.
Mom, bring me to the bait.
The end. Avery wants to keep pressing the button. Well, thank you for coming and tuning in with us. This has definitely been one of Avery's favorites for a long time. So we'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Night.